Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Kia Sorento. Stock number is A7856. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Oh, look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.